General Raheel Sharif, the vanguard of Pakistan's fight against terrorism and champion of national unity. Early life and background. General Raheel Sharif was born on June 16, 1956, in Quetta, Pakistan, into a prominent military family. His father, Major Muhammad Sharif, was a war veteran, and his elder brother, Major Shabir Sharif, was a national hero who was posthumously awarded Pakistan's highest military honour, the Nishan-e-Haider, for his bravery during the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Growing up in a family with a strong military ethos, Raheel Sharif was deeply inspired by the legacy of service and sacrifice, education and military career. Raheel Sharif received his early education in Lahore and later joined the prestigious Pakistan Military Academy, PMA, in Karkul. He graduated from PMA with distinction, earning a commission in the Frontier Force Regiment in 1976. Throughout his career, he gained extensive experience in command, staff, and instructional assignments. Sharif also pursued professional military education abroad, including advanced training at the Royal College of Defence Studies in the United Kingdom. His exposure to international military standards further honed his strategic thinking and leadership capabilities, rising through the ranks. As Raheel Sharif climbed the military hierarchy, he held several key positions, including command of an infantry division and a corps. His leadership and strategic insight earned him recognition within the Pakistan Army. He also served as the Inspector General for Training and Evaluation, a position where he played a critical role in enhancing the operational readiness and professional development of the armed forces. Appointment as Chief of Army Staff. In November 2013, Raheel Sharif was appointed as the 15th Chief of Army Staff, COAS of Pakistan, by then Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. His appointment came during a period of intense security challenges for the nation, including rising terrorism, political instability, and border tensions. Leadership against terrorism. One of General Raheel Sharif's most notable contributions was his leadership during Operation Zarb-e-Azb, launched in June 2014. This comprehensive military operation targeted terrorist networks in the federally administered tribal areas, FATA, and other parts of Pakistan. Under his command, the Pakistan Army successfully dismantled militant strongholds, significantly reducing terrorism and improving internal security. Sharif also played a key role in countering urban terrorism through the Karachi operation, which restored relative peace to Pakistan's largest city. His efforts in combating extremism earned him widespread respect, both domestically and internationally. Diplomatic and strategic contributions. General Raheel Sharif emphasized strengthening Pakistan's military relationships with neighboring countries and global powers. He actively promoted regional peace and stability while reinforcing Pakistan's defense capabilities. Post-retirement role. After retiring in November 2016, General Raheel Sharif was appointed as the Commander-in-Chief of the Islamic Military Counter-Terrorism Coalition, IMCTC, headquartered in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This 41-nation coalition focused on combating terrorism and fostering coordination among member states. His leadership in this role underscored his commitment to global peace and counter-terrorism efforts. Legacy and public image. General Raheel Sharif is remembered as a decisive and dynamic leader who revitalized Pakistan's military and played a pivotal role in securing the nation during challenging times. His tenure as COAS was marked by a professional, apolitical approach to military leadership. His popularity extended beyond the armed forces as he became a symbol of national unity and resilience. Personal life, Raheel Sharif is known for his humility and discipline. Despite his prominence, he maintained a low-profile personal life, focusing on his family and duties. Conclusion: General Raheel Sharif's contributions to Pakistan's military and his role in shaping the country's security landscape have cemented his place as one of the most celebrated military leaders in Pakistan's history. His legacy continues to inspire future generations of soldiers and leaders. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time.